Begin on all fours with hands and knees on the Bosu ball and feet on the floor with ankles flexed and toes tucked under. Extend one leg straight behind and simultaneously extend the opposite arm out in front, holding both parallel for 3 seconds. Bring the extended arm and leg back in, tucking elbow to knee underneath before extending them again. Repeat, completing all reps before changing sides. Focus on keeping the hips and shoulders level, no tilting side to side. As a level 2 progression, perform a 5-second hold at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As a level 3 progression, keep the feet lifted off the floor at all times.